Historical marker. Keep walking on the sidewalk from the Kettle gas station and you'll see a historical marker placed by the Waukesha County Historical Society and Museum in 2013, giving a history of the village of Eagle, Wisconsin. It reads, Village of Eagle. A huge bald eagle hovering over a large mound east of here inspired prospectors to name the area Eagle in 1836. With the coming of the Milwaukee and Mississippi Railroad, the village was platted by Klein, Pittman, and Sprague in 1851. Soon businesses, houses, schools, and churches sprang up here. A surveyor's benchmark is located at the site of the first depot that gave birth to Eagle. In 1880, Eagle was third in commercial importance in the county, with 2 dry goods stores, Combs Brothers and Lynn's, 2 clothing shops, Bossingham and Lynn's, 2 hardware stores, McWilliams and Lynn's, Lynn's Butcher Shop, E. Bovey Grocery and Harness Shop, a millinery shop, 3 salons, an elevator and warehouse, Clemens and Hall, Klein's Hotel, a schoolhouse, a Methodist church, and St. Teresa Catholic Church. In 1876, there was discovery of a 16-carat diamond in Tom Devereaux's well. After many lawsuits, fake mines, and several years at Tiffany's in New York, the stone, still uncut, was on display at the American Museum of Natural History until 1964, when it was stolen and never recovered. The hill where the diamond was found was renamed Diamond Hill. Waukesha County Historical Society and Museum, 2013.